So this is what you're going to want to use. I've tried other boxes and they just didn't do it for me. So make sure it's the Pillsbury Strawberry Box Mix. Okay, so next you're going to get 1/3 cup of oil. And as you can notice, I just got a little bit in there. But I'm going to go get some more, so don't try to come for me and my oil saying that's not a 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup, because it is. I'm going to get some more, period. So now I'm just opening up the cake mix and you're going to pour it in a bowl. You already know how to open up cake mix and put it in a bowl, so no further explanation. Next, I'm cracking 2 eggs. And make sure after you crack your eggs, you throw them away and you wash your hands. Wash your hands after you crack the eggs. Very important step, and some people miss it. And what I just did right there, I just put in a little bit of water because the batter can get really thick, and some people cook it when it's really thick and it do make them moist, but I like it to be just a little bit more runny so that I can stir it how I want to stir it and make sure that I get everything completely stirred and it's easier to put inside the pan. But if you like it thick, you can do it thick as long as you can work with it. Grease that pan up, baby, because we want to be able to cut into the brownies and get them out of the pan easy with no extra arm movement or nothing. And then you just plop it in there, just like that. Plop it in there. As you can see, it's still a little thick, but I can work with it. Make sure every piece of that batter is touching the bottom of the pan so you won't have no raw brownie when you cut it. We don't want raw brownie. $15 minutes, that's all it takes. As soon as you see your brownie getting a little brown at the top and at the bottom, they're finished. So I went ahead and cut them off camera because I have to focus so I won't cut myself. I let them cool down a little bit, then I take them out the pan. I don't glaze them while they in the pan, just so I can put them in the box and I can put the glaze on how I want it. And if I take them out the pan, if I already put the glaze on them, that'll mess the glaze up if it's not all the way hard. So much more in it without all them little compartments that's in the regular to-go boxes. That close up though, look how moist that brownie is. Okay. about to make the glaze, I just use powdered sugar and milk just because it personally tastes better. Water and powdered sugar, it's not nasty. I just start out with a little bit of milk, and then once I stir, if it's too thick, I add a little bit more, and if it's too thin, then I just add more powdered sugar, just until I get the consistency that I want. And we're done. Thank you for watching.